Namaskar. Detoxing the intestines are really important for overall health. Since it helps to remove waste from your body, it improves digestion and supports a healthy immune system. Today, I will be sharing with you a drink recipe that can help detox your intestine. This recipe is made with natural ingredients that may be easily available in your kitchen. So, let's get started. First, let's take a look of the ingredients you may need to make this drink. Beetroot 1 medium size, ginger 1-inch piece, lemon juice 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder half teaspoon, black pepper as per taste. Now, let's understand how to prepare this drink. Peel the beetroot and slice it into small pieces. Blend the beetroot along with ginger and turmeric powder and black pepper in a mixer grinder until it becomes smooth. Pour the mixer into a glass and put lemon juice in that. Do not strain the mixture. Consume the drink freshly prepared within 1 hour. Now let's take a look of the benefits of each of these ingredients. Beetroot is known for its detoxifying property. It helps to improve your digestion, eliminates toxins from the body and improves bowel movement. Ginger has anti-inflammatory property. It helps to soothe your digestive tract, reduces inflammation and promotes healthy elimination. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which helps to flush out toxins from your body. It also helps to balance pH level in your stomach and helps in digestion. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. It helps to reduce inflammation in your gut, improve digestion, and supports liver function. Black pepper contains pepperine, which helps to improve the absorption of nutrients in our body. It also helps to improve digestion and promotes healthy bowels. And there you have it, one simple recipe to detoxify your intestine using natural ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. Drink this on an empty stomach early in the morning or mid-morning for maximum benefits. Remember, you should look after your well-being and prevent the diseases rather than cure diseases, and that's wonderful. Namaskar.